Hi guys, this is Pete Stockley from Innomnia, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about Puppet Pals. Now this is an application for iOS that allows students to create conversations or plays using a puppet theatre style. This works especially well for language courses or any courses where role play can be used as a form of teaching. So let's take a look at our main menu. This is the Save Shows area where we can play videos we've made and export them to our device's camera roll. A nice feature of Puppet Pals is the ability to purchase extra characters and backgrounds using the director's pass. But more importantly is you can add your own photos from your camera roll and personalize these characters and backgrounds with your own photos. But the most important option, of course, is press to start. This is where we start building up our scene. So we choose our actors. You can have up to 8 actors, and you just tap on the ones that you want to add, and you'll see them appear on the right hand side. Above you'll see the ones that you've made yourself, and below the ones that come included automatically or with the director's pass. On the right hand side you can actually move and adjust them in the order that they're in, so that the ones at the top will be in the foreground, the ones at the back in the background. Now we choose our backdrops. The exact same idea as the actors. You tap the ones you want to include. You can have up to 5 backgrounds, and if you've purchased the director's pass you can add your own. Now here at the stage we can tap and drag our actors to move them around the scene. We can double tap them and this will flip them on a vertical axis. We can also pinch and spread to shrink or increase the size of them, and we can also rotate them using the basic rotate command with the 2 fingers. At the top of the screen you'll see the options for the backgrounds. So we have 3 there, these tassels, and by tapping on any of them it'll just switch between the backgrounds in the same order that you chose them from earlier on. At the bottom left of the screen you'll see our zoom slider that allows us to zoom in and out of our backdrop, giving us more accuracy when we move our actors around. Now this zooming in and out won't be seen in the final video. In fact, only the items within the white border will be seen, so you can pull your actors in and out to remove them and bring them back into the video. Once you're ready to start recording, just tap the red record button at the top of the screen. Once you start recording, you're given the option to pause or stop your recording completely. If you pause your recording, you can move your actors around and then start recording again to get that stop motion effect. Once you're happy with your recording, you can hit the disk icon to save it. You'll be requested to give a title, and it'll be saved into the Save Shows area of the application. So by tapping yes to view our shows now, we can see our Save Shows area and here at the bottom the movie we've made. If we tap export, it will then begin to encode it and save it to your camera roll, as you can see here at the bottom. And then simply by tapping it, you can watch the show that you just made. One drawback to the application is that after every movie, Puppet Pals adds its own logo and advertisement at the back there. But if you import your movie into iMovie, you can then just chop this off.